Welcome to 1011 Beatty Road, Unit B4. This is a one bedroom, one full bath, first floor apartment unit in the St. Andrews area of Northwest Columbia. It's convenient to I-20 and I-26, Harbison, amenities and shopping, Lake Murray, downtown Columbia, and Irmo as well. So we're inside the unit. We have a door coming in off the hallway to the building entry, and you step into the unit, which has an open floor plan living room, has updated luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout. So you can see the living room as we enter here, open to the dining area and kitchen. You have a large window out towards the front. There is a coat closet here off the entry as well, as you can see. And the kitchen itself has an included dishwasher, electric range, as well as above range microwave and a refrigerator. Pretty good cabinet space for the size as well. You do have a laundry room off of the kitchen as well. So it looks like it's configured for a stackable washer and dryer. Could possibly get a side-by-side in there, just depending on how you lay the machines out. And just another view towards that living area. You have a full bedroom off the living area as well. And it has, of course, an adjacent private bathroom. Nice window looking out as well. And then behind the door on this side, you have your closet. Which is a pretty nice size. And then last but not least, your full bathroom. You have tile flooring and single vanity, a nice size mirror in here, as well as a tub and shower on the other side behind the door. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, 1011 Beatty Road, Unit B4 in Northwest Columbia. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.